Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back now with one of my favourites, my dairy-free mac and cheese recipe. Hope you guys enjoy. All you need is one butternut squash, some macaroni, some kale for topping, 1 cup of raw cashews, nutritional yeast, breadcrumbs to sprinkle on top, and some optional extras you can have are spinach, frankfurters and garlic. So the first thing you will need to do is soak your cashews. So pour your cashews into a tall cup, pour boiling water over it, just enough to soak it, and just leave it for 1 hour. Now you have to peel and cut your butternut squash. Remember to scoop out all the seeds inside. After you cut it all up, place it on a baking tray lined with foil, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, bake at 180 degrees for half an hour. Look at that sizzle! Cook your macaroni to your packet instructions. Now it's time to drain and rinse your cashews. Place it into a blender, add 1 cup of water and blitz until smooth. Then pour half of it out and then add half of your cooked butternut squash into the blender. Add just enough water to cover the butternut squash, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, season with salt and pepper and then blend until smooth. Repeat this process for the next batch. I did it in 2 batches because my NutriBullet is small, but if you have a big enough blender then just do it all in once. Then I poured it into a pot and cooked it on the stove for around 5 minutes just to heat it up and then season to taste. Then just add your macaroni and your optional extras. Here I added my spinach and frankfurters. Now it's time to assemble, which is my favourite part. All you need is an oven-proof dish and then add all that macaroni onto the dish. As much as you want, it's for yourself, so be generous. Add the kale on top and breadcrumbs and then sprinkle some salt and pepper and drizzle a light layer of olive oil. It will just help crunch it up when you bake it in the oven. Bake it at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy! Look at that goodness, guys! This is my dairy-free mac and cheese. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. It's been so fun filming again, and a big shout out to Sam who filmed and edited this video. Please let us know what you think in the comments down below. We've got so much in store for you guys, so please watch this space and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.